shape! Yeah!
This is in my tent.
What is it?
The car.
The whole car?
No, it's part of a car.
Holy shit. Is that a bullet hole through there? Yeah, it is.
I don't know.
That wasn't it. I don't know. More Tannerite. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that was weird. That skeleton.
That was bizarre.
Good. Hurry before the flare goes out. All right. That worked out.
Well, there's the gas. It's going now.
Yes. A nice ending to a
Good one.
I don't think there's too much more we can do to it.
Hey, now we got a campfire.
Hold on, did the propane go off?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Fuck rattled down there.
Yeah, that tire is engulfed now.
What the fuck was that? Engine blown apart?
Oh, okay, I believe
Yeah,
it.
you heard that?
Yeah.
Basically disappeared.
Did you go up there?
No, I'll go tomorrow.
D-Beck said that it actually busted the crankshaft on it.
Wow.
Someone firing?
Yep, fire in the hole! Good shit there.
That's how great I was.
Love it.